The following message is transmitted by the request of the Nashville Police Department. A law enforcement warning has been issued for the city of Nashville and the entire state of Tennessee. All residents in the city of Nashville, get to your homes now. At approximately 8:35 a.m. Central Standard Time, an unusual strange individual was seen roaming the streets of Nashville. This individual had a shotgun in their hands and shooting anyone it sees. The description of the individual is currently unknown at this time. Police officers are going to track down the location of the individual. All residents are advised to get to your homes now. Lock every single doors and windows, and keep them closed. If you see the individual anywhere near your area, call 911 immediately. Please stay tuned for more information on this situation. The following message is transmitted by the request of the Nashville Police Department. A civil danger warning has been issued for the city of Nashville and the entire state of Tennessee. All residents must listen to this important message. At approximately 11:40 a.m. Central Standard Time, it has been discovered that the individual is not a human being. I repeat, it is not a human being. When police officers take a closer look at the suspect, it was a turkey with human-like body. This turkey is shooting people with its shotgun, and the turkey can fly away quickly. This is a very dangerous situation, and should not be approached. The location of the turkey is currently unknown at this time. There might be a chance that the turkey hunter, which authorities named it, might affect the food for Thanksgiving, but it cannot be confirmed at this time. All residents are strongly advised to get to your homes now. Lock all doors and windows. Barricade any entrance. Turn off all heating and air conditioning. If you see the turkey hunter anywhere near your area, call 911 immediately. If the turkey hunter breaks into your home, get out of the house and run away as fast as possible. Please remain calm. Police officers are going to find the turkey hunter. Stay tuned for more information on this developing situation. The following message is transmitted by the request of the Nashville Police Department. Several reports from residents that the turkey hunter was seen shooting residents from houses and cars. The turkey has killed 124 people and injured 77 people. In addition, the turkey hunter has summoned more turkey hunters to help attack the city of Nashville. There are about 10 turkey hunters in the city of Nashville. More reports come in that people's foods were being toxic. It is unknown if this is true or not, but it is advised to do not eat any Thanksgiving food. All residents are strongly advised to keep your doors and windows locked during this time. If you see any of the turkey hunters anywhere near your area, call 911 immediately. If one of the turkey hunters breaks into your home, get out of the house immediately. If your food smells like poison or any other smell, please throw away the food immediately. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation.
Good afternoon everyone, it is I, Charlie Blaze. You guys can now finally see me instead of seeing no one in the news station. So let's get back in business. This is WSMV serving the city of Nashville. I am Charlie Blaze, and this is a breaking news report. More turkey hunters have been reported to be rising from the graveyard and attacking the city of Nashville. There are about more than 40 turkey hunters in the city of Nashville. Police officers are struggling on killing these turkey hunters. The military are in their way to help the officers and kill all the turkey hunters. In other news, it was now been confirmed that Thanksgiving foods are now contaminated and toxic, meaning that if you eat the food, you will have the following: brain damage, headaches, diarrhea, bleeding from the nose, bleeding from the eyes, in some cases, death. This is a very dangerous situation. All residents are strongly advised to throw away all Thanksgiving food at this time. If one of your family members get the disease, go to the nearest hospital immediately. If you see any of the turkey hunters anywhere near your area, call 911 immediately. Please be safe out there. But anyways, that's all I have for now. This is Charlie Blaze, signing off.
The following message is transmitted by the request of the Nashville Police Department. A civil emergency message has been issued for the city of Nashville and the entire state of Tennessee. All residents in the city of Nashville, get to your homes now. At approximately 3:45 p.m. Central Standard Time, multiple 911 calls come in that people were reported to be turning into turkeys after eating the Thanksgiving food. It was been discovered that the food has a disease that the turkey hunters put on the food. There are about 352 turkey hunters in Tennessee. The military are doing their best to kill all the turkey hunters. All residents are strongly advised to lock all your doors and windows. Use any strong materials to block the doors and windows. If you see any of the turkey hunters anywhere near your area, call 911 immediately. Please throw away all Thanksgiving foods or put them away until the situation is over. Stay tuned for more information on this serious situation.
are shooting people everywhere, destroying buildings, and making a huge mess in the city of Nashville. The military are now struggling on killing all the turkey hunters. Most police officers were killed by the turkey hunters. If the military don't kill all the turkey hunters, this entire state of Tennessee will be completely destroyed. All residents are strongly advised to evacuate the city immediately. Please gather the necessary supplies, such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, first aid kit, a fully charged cell phone, phone chargers, and a battery-powered or hand-crank radio. If you see the turkey hunters anywhere near your area, call 911 immediately. Stay safe, stay calm, and do not panic. Panicking will only make the situation worse. Continue to monitor local media outlets for further information on this dangerous situation.
Requested by the White House. All the EAS participants will follow activation procedures in the EAS operating handbook for a national emergency. The President of the United States or his designated representative will shortly deliver a message over the emergency alert system. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by. We interrupted your regular programming. This is a national emergency. Important instruction will follow.
This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast and cable systems should transmit this message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate with the emergency alert system during this emergency. Most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is WSMB. We will continue to serve the Nashville area. If you are not in the Nashville area, you should now tune into station providing news and information for your area. This is the emergency alert system, broadcasting the Nashville area. Do not use your telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency uses. The emergency alert system has been activated. Stand by. The President of the United States or one of his representatives will be speaking shortly. The following message is transmitted by the request of the President himself, and the United States government, and the Federal Emergency Management Agency. This is not a test, I repeat, this is not a test. I hate to tell you this, everyone, but this is the end of the world. Unfortunately, the military has given up on killing the turkey hunters. Most of the military were killed by the turkey hunters. There's nothing we can do to stop the turkey hunters. The reason on why they're doing this is because that they are sick and tired of people eating turkey for Thanksgiving, because it's the most common food for Thanksgiving. The turkey hunters are going to kill everyone else in the state of Tennessee. We're sorry for ruining this Thanksgiving Day, but all good things are about to come to an end. All residents must gather together with your family and friends. Tell how much you love them. Tell them that you're grateful for everything. We'll now sign off with the final broadcast. Please stay tuned for the final broadcast in the emergency alert system. Goodbye, everyone. We will see each other in heaven, and happy Thanksgiving.
we want.